everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing if your phone is refurbished or new, and you're wondering that if your phone is from the factory refurbished or it's a new which is sold to a customer. So it is very easy. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings, oh, I need to do it again. Just go to the settings, and after going to the settings, you need to go to the general option here. And in general option, you need to go to the about section of your phone. And after going to the about section, as you see that there is a model number starting from the M. The M means it's new. And if the starting number is from the N, it means it is from an Apple replacement. And if the model number starting from F, it means it is carrier refurbished. So that's how you actually know that your phone is refurbished or new from a factory. Another thing that you need to consider is just copy the serial number, just copy it down by holding your finger on it and just copy it, and go to your browser and open Safari, and you need to open the website which is coverage Apple. If you type the coverage Apple on Safari, a website like this, official Apple website like this will come up. You just need to tap on it and an interface like this will come up. Now you need to put your serial number of the phone here, the serial number, not the model number, but the serial number. You just need to put over it, and here you need to submit, and Apple will itself tell you what phone it is and how it is sold. It is a refurbished or manufacturer, and all the details of your phone. It will show you that how it is purchased and everything. I hope this video clears you about your phone is new or refurbished or anything like that. So bye bye.